In this video, I'm going to go over this Flexzilla utility lead-in hose, and this is a 5 foot in length, and it's got 5/8 in diameter on it. And I'm just going to go over all the little features of this thing. If you're like me, you know, I've got a little water tank here that's a water rain catch tank, and I like having a small hose that runs from here to fill up buckets, water containers, or things like that. And the hose that I did have was a cheaper version, and it just kept folding on me and kinking up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go with one of these Flexzilla hoses. I have one in the front that's been holding up extremely well. It's a 50 foot. So I went ahead and got me a little 5 foot hose here, and we're going to put it on here and we'll put it to the test. Let's just go over it first. So it's an extreme all-weather flexibility, durable, abrasion resistant, won't kink under pressure, lightweight and easy to handle. Leak-free O-rings. How about that? We always love a leak-free O-rings. And it looks like it includes this little kind of adapter to hook it up to another water hose if you need to, but we will not be needing that. So let's go ahead, let's take it out of here, screw it in, test it out. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and make sure your gasket's in there. And we're just gonna screw this on right here. That's a metal fitting, by the way. You'll see that Flexzilla logo there. That's very intimidating. So now, check this out. This is 100% rainwater, everybody. Is that not awesome? Now this hose it bends, but it just pops back out. My other one would kink right here, and that kink will not come out, so it kept folding over, so I have to cut that to fix that. But this Flexzilla has a cover that goes right there, so it doesn't bend over. And check that out. That worked out perfect. Yeah, I don't see any issues with this hose at all, anybody. I think this is a great kind of like filler line when you need to add an extra line, or do like me, have a shorter line inside of like a rain barrel or something. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Flexzilla 5 foot hose. See y'all in the next video.